So, servus again. This here will be just a SPY playlist where I will just update SPY. Um, I cut that out of the other playlists just because the videos are getting way too long. So in here is only SPY. So for SPY and all the other tickers, I'm again using this method here for all my tracking. If you want to know more, just watch the last weekly recap video or the first two videos. There I explain it in more depth. So let's look for SPY. I will just show the big tracking again, and then the middle one, and then what we have done today. So for the big tracking, since IPO, this would have been your high low till February 2009. This would be your complete A till March 2020. Your big B would be from March 2020, March 2020 to exactly April 25. The big knife. And right now, in my opinion, we ended. No, and right now we are in the big C push, which I think is not in yet. So then we look on the daily and look what we have done. So we're taking this as a V, the October 2022. Then from there to October 2023 is your higher low. From there, from October 23 to April 2024 is your A. Then from April 24 to August 2024 is your B with the B pullback. And then from August 2024 to February 2025 is your middle C, and you knife down again to your V under A. And then we come into our middle tracking where we are right now. Our V under A is in April 2025. Our higher low is in also April 2025. Our middle A is till June 2025. And our B is from June 2025 till exactly this 1 day downtrend to October 2025, which is already finished. And right now, and the higher low too. And right now, we would be in the run to our C peak. Where this is, I can't say yet because I don't know. It can be 900, 800, 700, or 690. At the same time, this middle C will also be your little c, middle C, and big C. And the thing is, this would be what happens after that. It would be the first time SPY is getting the big C. And it would be the first time that the first real fractal is, let's say, 50% complete, because then you get your lower high, your mid point, your last time to sell, and then your knife to V under A, which should be around 221 or even lower. And there you bounce, get a high low, and the whole thing starts again. But this thing will just take years, 1 to 5 years in my opinion. And this will be a big bear market. The drops, in my opinion, will be quick, brutal, and volatile. The uptrends slow, without volume. And then again, big, quick, volatile move, and then slowly uptrending. And I expecting this C, wherever it is, latest February, March next year. Okay, so let's go into the 30-minute, and look what we have done today. Again, I said yesterday, I'm expecting two things. The first one was that this B here, and this pullback wasn't finished for the second bullish thing, and we would have come down to I think it was 69-ish. We didn't. The second version I had is that this pullback was enough and we will gap up today, which we did. Was absolutely perfect. For my targets, I said yesterday video, something in here. So I said we could easily hit this trend line at 682, or everything in this place from 677 on. So we are in with 678. So for what this peak, so let's say first the bullish version. I mean, it's the other one is not really bearish, but okay. For the bullish version, this is not finished yet. The B peak and the little C peak is not finished yet. And on Monday, you will still go up, maybe hit the trend line, or something higher than this. I don't believe that, but it could be. The second one would be, this was our peak today. This was the perfect middle B peak, because if you look back, just for explanation, this drop here, this was your B. This whole thing from October 10 to October 17 was our higher low for the middle tracking. From October 17 to October 22, this was our middle A with the pullback, which I also said, perfect, I want to see a pullback to this line here. And from October 22 till today would be our big B, middle B and little c. So because this is, because now you could say, okay, perfect, we did ABC, now we have to do V and A. Could, because it's little c, but it's also middle B, and the middle B normally is stronger than the little one. So I would expect we getting a 0.5 from our A low to our B peak. So in my opinion, this would be our 0.5 pullback, which I have to say could just finish on Monday. I would expect it Monday, Tuesday, but I mean, if we see these drops, they are just one day, so who knows. If we're falling under this here is your V&A. So it's not far away. So this would be a V&A, and I would just expect, I mean, okay, for the small tracking, you could say, let's look on the 5-minute. So where's our peak? Our peak is here. So this would be already a lower high right now. You come down, go a little bit up. This would be your M. Then you come down again, you come up. This would be your T. And then you bounce here and go, or you make a V and A and higher low, and then you go. And of course, this could just be in one candle. I mean, okay, if you look at the 1 minute, yeah. And for me, it would... The thing is, tariff starts in 2 weeks. Or, what was it? 1st November or 3rd November, something like that. And on Friday, Trump is talking to China. I don't care what he's saying. He isn't moving the market, in my opinion. But it would be a perfect timeline. You make this pullback. I mean, it's... If we're doing this already on Monday, forget what I'm saying now, because then you just bounce and go. But the thing is, yeah, you maybe. We knife on Monday. We bounce till Friday. Because Wednesday is also rate cuts, talk, and blah blah blah. We knife on Monday. We bounce till Friday. And on Friday, you're making our C. And then the talks are bad or whatever. And then we go down and do our V&A. Let's see. But I'm expecting at least Monday, Tuesday downside. Or this wasn't it. And we need still higher for B. But in my opinion, this could be wrong. It's already showing you downside. Let's see. Maybe there's catastrophic news this weekend. Who knows? But again, I wanted... We could easily also just doing this till Wednesday, just sideways bullshit. Then we get the pullback on Thursday, and the talks on Friday are good, and we go up. But in my opinion, this peak is done, and after a B peak comes the 0.5 pullback. So if it takes Monday or a whole week, we will come down here at least, in my opinion. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you have questions, you can write in the comments. For wishes for other stocks, write that in the comments of the other videos. And if you liked it, give a like or an abo. See you next time.